Here's a practical example of how an enterprise HR team could use ChatGPT Web Search. Let's say the team wants to stay on top of recent employment law and HR compliance developments, but does not want to spend time manually checking multiple government sites, legal updates, and industry sources. I start by asking ChatGPT to search the live web for recent updates relevant to enterprise employers and to summarize the findings in plain English with sources. What makes this useful is that it does not just return a list of links. It pulls the information together into a clear summary of what has changed, where it came from, and why it may matter. Next, I ask ChatGPT to organize those developments into 3 groups: areas HR should review soon, developments worth monitoring for now, and items that may need legal or specialist input before any action is taken. That turns a general search result into something much more practical for a business support team. Then I ask it to convert the findings into a one-page internal briefing note for HR leadership, including the headline developments, the likely relevance to policies or processes, and the areas that should be validated with legal counsel. From there, I can take it a step further and ask for likely employee or manager questions, so HR is better prepared to communicate clearly if any of these topics become relevant internally. The important point here is that ChatGPT is not replacing legal advice. It is helping HR move much faster from scattered external information to a structured, decision-useful first draft. And this becomes even more valuable when you add your own internal context. For example, if you provide existing HR policies as a baseline, ChatGPT can compare external developments against the way your organization already works, highlight where there may be gaps, and tailor the briefing much more closely to your actual environment. That is where the quality of the outcome really improves. Instead of simply asking ChatGPT to tell you the latest HR developments, you can use it as an iterative assistant, first to gather the external changes, then to assess their relevance against your current policies, then to refine the language, the implications, and the communication outputs for different stakeholders. So the real value is not in one broad prompt, it is in using ChatGPT as a guided back and forth assistant that helps turn raw external updates into something far more specific, useful, and actionable for your business.